Hello, fellow enthusiasts of future phone flash. Welcome back to our channel, your ultimate destination for all things related to cutting-edge smartphone technology. Today, we're thrilled to bring you some exhilarating news about the highly anticipated iPhone 16. This upcoming model is poised to introduce a host of thrilling changes and enhancements that will surely make it a standout in the dynamic world of smartphones. Let's jump right in and uncover what awaits us with the iPhone 16's design makeover. Redesigning the iPhone experience. It's been a considerable span since we last witnessed a significant design shift in the iPhone lineup. However, the iPhone 16 is ready to shatter expectations. Leaked images have provided us with a sneak peek into its all-new, sleek appearance. The design showcases a vertical camera arrangement, a departure from the horizontal setup seen in recent iterations. Additionally, there's a dedicated slot for a physical camera shutter button, blending a hint of nostalgia with heightened functionality. This fresh design not only exudes style, but also promises practicality, delivering users an entirely refreshed iPhone encounter. Elevating photography with enhanced camera capabilities. The camera system on the iPhone 16 is receiving a substantial upgrade, transforming it into a standout feature. The vertically aligned cameras are tailored to support 3D video capture, also known as spatial videos. This feature was previously exclusive to the Pro models but is now accessible to a wider audience. Furthermore, the flash component has been repositioned outside the camera module, reminiscent of the design language seen on the iPhone X, albeit larger and more potent. This alteration not only enhances the aesthetics but also amplifies the camera's performance in low-light environments, ensuring your photos and videos look exceptionally stunning. Introducing the physical shutter button. One of the standout features of the iPhone 16 is its revolutionary physical camera shutter button, powered by the innovative haptic engine. This button transforms your photography journey, making it effortless to capture precise moments with just a simple tap. Embracing the action button, bid farewell to the conventional mute switch, and welcome the innovative action button on the iPhone 16. This customizable tool adds a layer of versatility to your device, enabling seamless access to apps, smart home device controls, and quick shortcuts with utmost ease. Size, display, and visual brilliance. The iPhone 16 and iPhone 16 Plus offer an array of impressive display options, retaining their familiar sizes while enhancing visual brilliance for an immersive experience. Whether you're engrossed in watching videos or browsing the web, these displays deliver vibrant colors and fluid visuals that captivate. Unleashing performance power. Beneath the sleek exterior, the iPhone 16 series houses exceptional performance capabilities. With customizable RAM and ample internal storage, these devices ensure seamless multitasking, gaming, streaming, and more, all without missing a beat. Anticipating the release and pricing, the iPhone 16 series is eagerly awaited, slated for launch in September 2024, with pricing details varying by region. Stay tuned for the latest updates on its release. Elevating display and design with the iPhone 16 Pro. Rumors are rife about exciting upgrades in display size and design for the iPhone 16 Pro, promising a brighter and more elegant user experience. Camera excellence on the iPhone 16 Pro. The iPhone 16 Pro shines with its camera upgrades, offering sharper details, enhanced zoom capabilities, and stellar performance across various lighting scenarios. Unmatched performance and storage on the iPhone 16 Pro. Powered by the cutting-edge A18 Pro chipset, the iPhone 16 Pro guarantees advanced performance, efficient AI functionalities, and expanded storage options for a seamless user journey. Diverse color palette. Experience a spectrum of color variants for the iPhone 16 Pro, including captivating options like rose, complemented by improved finish processes for a sleek and durable device. Exploring ultra-wide camera upgrades. Discover the enhanced optical zoom capabilities of the new ultra-wide camera on the iPhone 16 Pro, promising vibrant and detailed photos even in challenging low-light conditions. Save the dates. Mark your calendars because the iPhone 16 series is making its grand entrance at Apple's fall event in September 2024. This event is a highlight for tech lovers worldwide, and this year promises to be no different. With leaks and rumors swirling, the anticipation is sky-high. What surprises does Apple have up its sleeve this time? The countdown has officially begun, and we're eagerly anticipating the groundbreaking features Apple will unveil. Bigger and better displays. One of the most buzzed-about upgrades is the larger display sizes. The iPhone 16 Pro will feature an impressive 6.3-inch screen, while the iPhone 16 Pro Max will stun users with a massive 6.9-inch display, making them the largest iPhones ever. But it's not just about size, it's about enhancing your overall experience. Whether you're streaming videos, gaming, or browsing the web, a larger screen means a more immersive experience. Even the standard iPhone 16 and iPhone 16 Plus are getting a facelift with slimmer bezels, providing users with more screen real estate. The new display materials promise vibrant colors and deeper blacks with the potential introduction of micro-LED technology for even better quality. Revolutionary camera technology. The camera system is another area where the iPhone 16 series truly shines. While exact details are still under wraps, significant advancements are expected. From improved low-light performance to AI-driven photography features, the iPhone 16's cameras are set to elevate your photo and video game. Imagine capturing stunning photos in challenging lighting conditions or shooting videos with professional-level quality. The enhancements may include larger sensors, advanced image stabilization, and new software features for that perfect shot. We might also see improvements in portrait mode, zoom capabilities, and possibly new lens options. Stay tuned for more leaks and official announcements. Introducing iOS 18. Debuting alongside the iPhone 16 series is iOS 18, packed with a multitude of new features and enhancements. Anticipate greater customization options, enhanced privacy settings, and cutting-edge AI capabilities through Apple Intelligence. These updates will personalize your iPhone experience, making it more intuitive and efficient. Customizable home screens, new widgets for real-time information, and improved privacy settings are. Conclusion. That concludes today's update on the iPhone 16 series. Don't forget to subscribe to Future Phone Flash for more exciting tech news and updates. Until next time, stay tuned and stay tech-savvy.